This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use six-figure grid references. First, understand that grid references help us pinpoint exact locations on a map. We'll start by identifying the main grid lines, which are numbered along the edges. These numbers represent eastings and northings, forming a grid. A six-figure reference provides a much more precise location than a four-figure one, narrowing down an area to a 100-meter square. To find the easting, first locate the vertical grid lines on your map. These lines run from the bottom to the top. Read the larger numbers printed at the bottom or top of these lines, moving from left to right. For a six-figure reference, you'll then estimate how many tenths of the way your point is from the left-hand grid line to the right-hand one. This gives you the third digit. Next, let's determine the northing. These are the horizontal grid lines that run across your map, from left to right. Read the larger numbers found along the side of these lines, moving from the bottom upwards. Similar to eastings, you'll estimate how many tenths of the way your point is from the bottom grid line up to the next one. This provides the final third digit for your northing. Now, combine your three-digit easting with your three-digit northing. For example, if your easting is 123 and your northing is 456, your full six-figure grid reference is 123,456. This reference pinpoints a specific 100-meter by 100-meter square on the map, offering excellent precision for navigation. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed on your adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.